This is my son Bruno. This is my son Bruno. Hi, it's Audrey. Thank you for joining my group. My friend Jamie introduced me to this really great company called RED ASPEN, and I got really addicted to their nail dashes because they hold like acrylics. Mine usually lasts up to about a month, but they don't leave behind the damage that nail salon acrylics do. And right now, she's been asking me for a couple months now when I was going to be ready to join, and they're running a $30 deal on their business kits, which come in these really cute pink packages. And then inside, you get this really cute makeup bag. It has their RED ASPEN logo on this side. And then you get a welcome card, some encouraging words, and then your onboarding checklist, which is really helpful to follow. I know my business is kind of slow running right now, but I'll get it there eventually. But this is really helpful to have. And then you get a sticker. And then inside your makeup bag, you get, of course, some nail dashes. And I got Catherine and the ballet slipper, which I think everybody gets in their business kit. But this is just to start with. I have a whole collection, so. And then you get some of these lashes. And I think these ones, I don't know which ones these are. Miss. Which they're made from silk and luxe fibers. Miss multi-layered 3D lashes. So I can't wait to try those, and I'll be posting a video on how to do that. And then they send you your own bottle of lash adhesive and your own lash applicator. I'm super excited to get this all started, and I'm really new to this, so bear with me. But ooh, they're metal. So these are super cute. Sorry, I don't have nail dashes on, so my nails are naked. But it has a cute little logo on it. And they feel pretty sturdy, pretty nice. And then we have the nail glue, which my friend Jamie talks highly of. And it's pretty big. It's not too bad. Which I've been eating my own bottle. Been stealing my sister-in-law's. So I'm pretty happy. She's probably pretty happy that I got my own. And that's everything that you get in that. And it's running till the end of April. But if you guys are interested, message me. Or just comment and let me know if you are interested. Thanks so much for joining. Oh yeah, totally forgot. Don't forget to follow me on my YouTube channel. It's going to be linked to this post for videos on how-tos to apply your lashes, dashes, and all the great RED ASPEN products. Thanks so much.